Today I've got you 20 stunning wallpaper completely for free. You can download them right now. Recently I launched my online store to sell some of my presets, templates, wallpaper and much more that I personally use, and today I have selected some of these wallpapers to give them to you completely for free. The download is fairly simple. Go to the description of this video or any other future video on this channel. Click on the first link where it says download your free wallpapers. It'll take you to this page. Just put your email in here and click get your free stuff. And in about 1 minute you'll get an email with the Google Drive link. Click on it and you can download any of the wallpapers that you like and some other free stuff in the near future. So thank you so much for all your support. See you in the next one.